at the same time. Hello, 229, if you got a sloppy copy. 28 Little Mobile, Chicago, waiting on some Mother Nature bag. Hello, 149, New Jersey, 28, heard you. Hello, 149, New Jersey, 28 Mobile, waving bag. I heard Trinitron 9, I heard Super Truck in there. Man, I heard 3 or 4 of you, no doubt about it. You're all keying at the same time, and I'm trying to read my radio. They call me number 28 in the Little Baby Mobile, Chicago. I'm rocking this mail. I got a bunch of B's in my receive. I ain't got the best of Mother Nature, I'll tell you that right now. You guys kind of sound like heterodyne, ain't no two ways about it, but you're all keying at the same time. Every time I get off this trigger, I hear the entire New York. Everybody and their brother. I'm trying to read my radio. Who's going to make it to the top of the heap? 28 Mobile, Chicago on the mail. Can't make it out. I can't make it out. I keep hearing a 9 something 9 something something 9. I think Super Truck's in there. I don't know. He's usually higher than that. I don't know what's going on tonight. I can't make out nothing. I know Trinitron 9 was out there. I didn't hear him that time around. There was a 229. Maybe that's you, 229. I don't know what in the world. I can't make it out. I got a bunch of B's, man. I'm trying to read my radio. I got the video game rolling. They call me 28 in Chicago. I got all the way down. 28. I got a train wreck, man. I'm going to put this video gate up a little bit later on so you guys know what I'm contending with, man. I got one big pile up over here in Chicago, man. I need someone to rise to the top of the occasion. Where's that Super Truck with that one coily antenna? Where's that configurator? You got to wind it up, man. I need someone to clean up my receiver break, bag. I heard something 3-9, man. I couldn't make it out, but I heard Trinitron 9 in there that time, too. Hey, Trinitron 9 with the cornbread while you're walking on water. I heard you in there that time, too, in the mix. No doubt about it. I'm trying to say good evening to you, Trinitron. We ain't got the best of conditions, I guarantee you that, so it ain't your fault. And I heard of something 39, and there's a 229, and there's a... I don't even know who else is out there, but I got a train wreck. Can you hear me, bag? I can't pull it out, man. I heard something 3-9. Maybe it's an 8. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do about this, man. I can't do nothing about it. You're going to see, I'm going to put this up a little bit later on. It's going to be the most annoying video I've ever put up because you can't make nothing out. But I'm still going to read this mail, see what in the world's going on, wait on a little bit of Mother Nature. I hope I can make it back to the northeast corner. They call me 28 while I'm working this Little Baby Mobile around Chicago. I'm reading the mail. 28. I think I got it that time around. I hope I didn't mash your thumb. I think he said 239. Hey, 239, I hope I got it right, man. I think I pulled it out of the hash and trash that time around. I think I heard Trinitron 9 in there, too. Man, it's rough and tough. I ain't got the best of Mother Nature. She only give me about 5 to 7 dBs on all y'all. But I think I heard a 239, I think is what you're saying. And I heard Trinitron 9 in there while he's sharing some cornbread, walking on some water. But I'm trying to read my radio. They call me 28 in the Mobile in Chicago. I'm gone. Oh, is that a 9 in New York? Maybe you're just saying 9. I think you might have said 9 in New York. Correct me if I got it wrong, babe. 239. I heard 239, and I think I heard a 69. I heard 239, and I think I heard a 69. There's a lot of 9s in there, babe. About 239, you just barely made it through the hash and trash. Take it easy, take care. God bless you and the family. Stay safe. Hey, Trinitron 9, I heard you in there too, man. You're still holding your own. There ain't no two ways about that one. Hello once again, Trinitron 9, if you got a sloppy copy. Your friend, number 28, Mobile, Chicago, got all the way down. Good job, Antonio. You're doing a good job, Antonio. Got it all that time, man, with the cornbread, no two ways about it. I guess it's your turn to burn. Hey, man, with the cornbread in Coney Island, I got it all that time around. Hey, Trinitron, appreciate the wave, my friend. Sounded good around Chicago for what Mother Nature's giving me. It ain't the best, but you're right up in there, no doubt about it. Good evening time, Trinitron 9, your friend, 28, waved and gone. 28, 135. Hello, 28. You're sounding good. You're making a lot of noise in these sea waters of Coney Island. You're making a lot of noise in Coney Island, man. I must have some Mother Nature right about now, Trinitron. I'm working this driver, man. I'm working my Cal Custom 22 Special 3 drive and 8 driver, one box. 3 pill into an 8 pill in one box. I'm testing it out tonight. That's my new driver for my AC, and I guess it's working, no doubt about it. I got a little bit of Mother Nature. I heard a 135 in there, too. Hey, 135, I'm putting your name in the Hall of Fame because I heard you when you screamed. Can you hear me, baby? Their driver's working. I think I heard Catfish Boy 102 out there also. Their driver's working. I think I heard Catfish Boy 102 out there. I got it all that time, Trinitron. You said the driver's working. I appreciate the long-distance radio check. Trinitron 9, if I can get it back one more time while I'm working this 8-pill driver. 28, and more. 28, waved and gone. One more time. Hey, Trinitron, you got that gate rolling. Maybe I'll try this big box one time. Because I'm trying to test this driver with this big box. I want to see how it works. If you got that gate rolling, maybe I'll try this big box one time. What you think, baby? I wish I had a little bit of Mother Nature. I wish I had a little better with Mother Nature. But I'm going to try right there, Trinitron 9. If you got a sloppy copy, I'm trying this steel tube one time. Don't want to get it too crazy. Hey, Trinitron, here I come. 28 little steel tube Mobile, Chicago, got all the way down. Steel tube, 28 steel tubes working. Chicago, where you working? Trinitron. Okay, you said it's working. I appreciate the long distance radio check. Let me back this driver down a little bit. I'm back on the driver. Hey, Trinitron, I sure do appreciate it, man. I'll be looking for that water gate a little bit later on. Appreciate it, my friend. You take it easy. Take care. Your friend number 28 working this driver. And I did hear my friend Mr. 200 in there, too, when you got off of that key. Hello, 200. Hello, Trinitron 9. 28 working this 8-pole driver. Got all the way down.
Big old radio. Good
Bye, Trinitron 9. Been a pleasure, my friend. Appreciate the QSO, appreciate the long distance radio check. I'm back on that 8-pole driver, and I will put it on you later, my friend. I'm going to sit back and read the mail a little bit. I know my friend 200 is out there. I'm going to see if he's still reading the mail out there. But take it easy, Trinitron. Appreciate the long distance radio check. God bless you and the family. I will put it on you later. Your friend 28 Mobile, Chicago, got down. I'm coming to get my cornbread. I'm going to be walking on the water with you, Trinitron 9. I'm coming to get my cornbread so we can take a walk on the water. Can you hear me, babe? The man with the cornbread walking on water. I gotta say hello to my friend 200, man. He's out there hooping and hollering. I hope he didn't go 10-7. Hey, 200, come on down to Chicago, break. I heard you in there, 200. You're mixing up with Trinitron 9, man, but he's making it rough. Hey, 200, I did hear you in there, man, but that Trinitron 9 is making it rough because he got some Mother Nature. Hey, 200, I just wanted to say good evening to you, let you know you're making the trip to Chicago. They call me 28. I'm working as 8-pole driver in Chicago. I waved and I'm gone.